Finally, after hours of struggle, we got the new car. Innova Krista. Sammy is feeling very excited.
Not very excited, but okay. Not so good.
Trip మొత్తం 3 కార్లు మార్చి తిరిగాం మేము. తగ్గేదేలే. This is how Innova Krista looks. Bucket seat actually. 3+2+2 అంతేనా బావ? Sorry, Paul also came. Sorry. బావ వీడియోలో హైలైట్ అవుతా, నీకన్నా హైలైట్ ఎవరు అవుతారా చెప్పరా? బ్యాచ్ మొత్తానికి కెప్టెన్ నువ్వు, ట్రిప్ అంతా ప్లాన్ చేసావు. గుండె ఆగింది జస్ట్.
ఈ బోటింగ్ బాగున్నారు అన్ని చోట్ల. రెస్టారెంట్ ఐటమ్లు అన్ని బయట వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయి, దొరుకుతాయి.
Not sure, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 6. We are at Munnar right now. We stayed at the same hotel which we stayed last time also, Limelight Hotel. Because of the view and everything, I decided to stay here only. But somehow the view is not there, the same view which we had seen last time. Due to the harvest of tea, there are no tea plants and everything. Tomorrow's plan is to go to Attirapalli, from there to Cochin. At Cochin we need to hand out the car, and that's it. The day after tomorrow is our flight. It's too steep now. They completely harvested it. మా హీరోలు వచ్చారు. అమ్మా బాబా అది మరి మా శామి గడ్డ నేను బ్యాండ్ మీద డ్రెస్లు వేసి ఇద్దరు వైట్ అనుకోకుండా హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అనుకుంటున్నా ఇప్పుడే.
I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you. I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see that I'm just being me? Sometimes we're just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do, but sometimes I need what's best for me.
So waterfall, it's 3 kilometers away from our hotel. Waterfall name is Attukud. Attud, I guess.
Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weak. No. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here, don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees.
Reached to another place, another tourist place. This is called Eco Point. Due to floods, I guess everything is changed right now. It used to be flat and all, but okay, fine. So we are doing the pedal boating. Me and Bobbly in one boat, BT Mama and Teja Rock in another, Sammy and then Paul in another boat. Total 3 boats. బాగుంది, ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసినంత ఇది లేదు. అరే నీకు లిగమెంట్ లేవు కదా, ఒరే మరి ఎందుకు వచ్చావు? అయ్యో అబ్బా ఏం చెప్పారో మర్చిపో కదా, లిగమెంట్ ఇది ఏంటని గుర్తుందా? నేను చేస్తాను, నేను నెమ్మది జస్ట్ కాల్ పెట్టాను. స్లో అవునా?
Don't play with boats.
అరే రాగా లెఫ్ట్ వద్దాం, లెఫ్ట్ చిన్నదికు బాయ్ తిరగండి. చల్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. So right now we will be leaving to top station. The boat ride was fun. Happy birthday! Bye bye. What is this fruit?
वो এখন ওটা নিয়ে পড়ে রইল।
This one. Black sweet potato. Black?
भाई साहब इसको दे दो।
Black sweet potato.
Can't you see that I'm just being me? Sometimes we're just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay 'cause we got unconditional love.
So completed the top station. We had a beautiful photo shoot over here, and right now we are heading to Munnar again. We are going back to Munnar. We ordered the dinner already, so no issues with the dinner. We'll go aram se. And the only problem right now is we have to reach Munnar before dark. It's better. That's it for now. Enjoy the view.
అది చెత్తకొడతారు కదా. Baby, let's get dirty. Bang 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 bang. Rara brother, super brother, let's relax and rock.
Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do, but sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weak. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here.
That's it. Right now we are stopped for some shopping. I made some purchases in that shop, left side chocolate shop, that one. And my friends went to buy some sarees and all. So that's it for Munnar. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Atirapalli, and from Atirapalli we'll be heading to Cochin. Cochin is our last stop. We need to hand over the car over there, and there the trip will be ended. And day after tomorrow our flight is. So we got the news that our flight has postponed. Flight is at around 8 o'clock, but it was postponed to 12 o'clock. So I need to check out with that. So what happened and all. So that's it for now. If you enjoy the vlog, hit the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.
In the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picks in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up.